Welcome back to English with Olivia and Amelia. Today, this test will estimate your English vocabulary level. It begins with essential words and adapts to your answers, providing an accurate measurement. Understanding your level is key to selecting the best learning path. How would you communicate without vocabulary? Engage students in thinking about the fundamental role of vocabulary. Vocabulary is like bricks in a building. Without enough bricks, you cannot build a strong house. The purpose of a comprehensive vocabulary test is to distinguish skill from chance. A short quiz can be skewed by lucky guesses, leading to a misleading score. By testing a broad sample of words, we gain an accurate picture of your true ability. This reliable data is essential. It forms the honest foundation for your feedback and guides the development of an effective, personalized study plan. Like tasting soup, one spoon isn't enough to judge the whole pot. To ensure test reliability, 1. Test enough words, not too few. 2. Use representative word samples. 3. Apply statistical validation. 4. Provide confidence intervals. Think of your score not as a single point, but as a range of where your true ability likely sits. That's a confidence interval. We focus on the lower end of that range to be sure. More confidence means a more reliable estimate of your actual level. Emphasize this is not a punitive standard, but to ensure genuine learning outcomes. To truly pass, it's not just about a high score. We have 2 strict checks. Your accuracy must be 95%, and our statistical confidence in that score must also be 95% or higher. This double check prevents lucky guesses from passing and proves you have a solid, consistent mastery of the material. Our vocabulary test aligns with Taiwan's 108 curriculum. We cover its total of 2,000 words, 1,200 basic, and 800 extended terms. To make testing manageable, these words are divided into 4 sets of about 500 each, and we use a smart sampling method to assess your knowledge effectively. This activity tests comprehension, not memorization. Encourage using context clues. Here's how the matching activity works. You'll see English words and Chinese meanings. But note, there are 8 English words and 10 Chinese options, so not every Chinese word will be used. Your task is to drag each English word to its correct Chinese match. For example, you would drag apple to Siliend, book to se. Ever wonder how we test a full 500-word set without asking every question? We use smart sampling. You'll answer about 200 plus questions, which reliably represents the whole group. This saves you time, prevents test fatigue, and, most importantly, is scientifically proven to give an accurate and reliable score. Results are a learning guide, not an endpoint. Encourage students to make study plans based on results. Let's see what your result means. If you scored 95% or higher for both accuracy and confidence, that's a strong pass. It shows solid mastery of this vocabulary set. If either score is below 95%, it signals a good area to focus on. Some review and practice will help you strengthen your grasp. You're doing great. Let's break down this test. It sampled 218 words from a 500-word list. To pass, you needed a high score of at least 214 correct answers and a high 95% confidence level. As you can see, only testers 4, 5, and 6 met the first requirement. Their confidence scores were also very high, confirming a solid pass. The others, while scoring well, didn't quite reach the 214 minimum needed. Now let's look at this full 2,000-word test. It sampled 323 words, but passing requires 2 things: at least 307 correct answers and a 95% confidence score. Notice tester 1? They missed passing by just 1 point on the confidence score, even with great accuracy. This shows why we need both criteria. It's not just about the raw score. Everyone else from tester 2 onward clearly passed, proving strong, reliable mastery of the list. You're doing great. To keep growing, try learning just 5 to 10 new words a day. Use them in sentences, review with spaced repetition, and read often. Every single word you master is a fantastic step forward on your language journey. Keep going. Have a wonderful day. Happy testing, good luck, and thank you.